Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, it's doing very well. Since the CPI data has come out, the market is in green. Bitcoin is not showing any signs of slowing down and all the other altcoins are yet to follow. But if you guys have been paying attention to the meme tokens, they are in positive but at the same time not showing huge momentum. Right now is a perfect time to get into a token which you believe is going to do good in the long term. And the one I want to show you guys is WeinerAL. If you guys do not know, I made a video on this token about 2 weeks ago. At the time, the pre-sale was sitting at about $300,000 to $400,000 were raised, and today you guys can see it's 2.1 million. If you do decide to buy it back then, that's already a 7x from where we began. Now this is still early, it's only sitting close to 2 million, but the rate at which this token is growing, there is so much potential even before this goes to public. And once this is released to the public, it's obviously going to go explosive. If you guys don't know anything about this token, well, just know that it is going to be doing well. Why? Because if you pay attention, 2.1 million has been raised. The goal is 2.3 million. The price is going to go up in a day and 20 hours. The one way right now is sitting at 0.007, and at the same time about 2.2 billion have been staked, with 69% of the supply being staked, and the reward right now is 456% per annum, which is obviously very good. At the start it was a little bit higher, but as more and more people are going to be staking, it's obviously going to put it down. So make sure you get in early as soon as possible. What is WeinerAL? Despite its hilarious sausage exterior, AI is a pinnacle of AI trading technology. With a predictive feature, AI is a trader best friend. The AI enhanced trading will be happening with this token, seamless sausage swaps, zero fees, and MEV protection. So you guys can see that yes, this is using the idea of meme token, but there is so much utility that's also backing up this token, such as having an AI enhanced trading platform, and at the same time there is going to be zero fees for that with the swap that will be coming out. Outsmart the market with WeinerAL with the predictive technology. At the same time, the tokenomics is sitting at 30% of pre-sale, 20% staking, 20% community rewards, 10% for DEX and CEX liquidity, and 20% is for marketing. The WeinerAL's master plan: first of all, launch it. Pre-launch or pre-sale launch is also being done. Worldwide marketing campaign has already begun. If you guys go to some websites, you will be able to actually see WeinerAL's, those pop-ups that will come up to tell more people about this token. And those pop-ups have done good because you can see that the Twitter has crossed 9,000 followers with a verified tick, and you can see bitcoin.com news actually posted about them. New crypto pre-sale to watch: WeinerAL meme coin hit 2 million milestone. So you guys can see 3 million following. Bitcoin.com, the official website, Twitter page decided to post them, so that should give you perspective of how big connections this team actually has. At the same time, how to buy it: simply connect your wallet, then find your purchase, ensure you either have Ethereum, BNB, or Matic, and then just swap your token for WeinerAL and you can pretty much stake it and you will be earning. If you do want to see the staking, you can see that the staking has increased quite a significant amount, and right now it is going to be doing much better over time. Now, honestly, this is probably the perfect time to get in before more and more whales decide to jump in. Also, if you look at the audit, everything is in green. It's been audited. The contract is perfect. There's no problem with it. I will update you guys with this token as soon as I possibly can, but trust me, this is a perfect time to buy before you see another 4x and you miss out on the pre-sale. And especially when it goes to the public, it's going to be doing crazy. If you do want to go ahead and get into this token, simply go to the description, click the link, and you guys will be able to go to the platform and follow from there. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.